Okay, so let us go to the final part ng ating conduction. So, yung ipepending ko muna yung conduction to pipes. Okay? Hanggang dun lang tayo sa composite walls. So, for problem number 4, one insulated wall of cold storage compartment is 8 meters long by 2.5 meters high. Consists of an outer steel plate of 18 millimeters thick. Tapos, outer steel yun 18 millimeters. An inner wood wall, 22.5 millimeters thick, and the steel and wood are 90 millimeters apart to form a cavity which is filled with cork. Cork, tapon. Okay, tapon. If the temperature drop across the extreme faces of the composite wall is 15 degrees Celsius, calculate the temperature drop across the thickness of the cork. Take the coefficients of thermal conductivity for steel, cork, and wood as 45, 0.045, and 0.18 watt per meter degree Kelvin, respectively. So, anong hinahanap dyan? Yung temperature drop across the thickness of the cork. Yung sa cork laang. Okay? Yung sa cork. So, what better way for us to understand it is to visualize it. Kailangan i-drawing natin sila. So, i-drawing natin. Ganito yan. So, sabi dito, meron kang outer steel, tapos meron kang cork, and then meron kang wood. Pangit ng drawing. Ayan. So, in this part, this is yung steel. Bumabalik ko dahil, tapos meron kang cork na nasa gitna, tapos nandito is wood. Lagay natin, this is steel. This is cork. This is wood. Now, lagay natin yung mga thickness nila. So, from here up to here, you have inner wood wall. So, outer muna tayo, 18 millimeters. Yung wood is 22.5 millimeter. How about ito? Yung cork naman is 90 millimeters. Yun. And then, meron ka daw dito na K nito, which is 45. Yung K nito is 0.045. Yung K naman nito is 0.18. O ngayon, masasabi nyo. Pag mataas ang K, anong ibig sabihin? Mataas ang K, good conductor. Ito, good insulator, good insulator. Ibig sabihin, from steel, magta-transfer yung heat. Okay? Papunta rito. Sa labas. Q will be constant. Okay? Now, yung Q outside will be equal to Q inside. Okay? So, the Q total will be equal to delta T multiplied to A divided by RT. Where RT is simply the total resistance nung nung lahat. So, X dito kay steel divided yung K ng steel plus yung X sa cork divided by K nung cork plus yung kay wood. Ang step mo dyan parati is to solve first yung RT bago yun dito. Okay? Sa mga types ng problem na to. So, let us solve muna yung RT. Okay? But, before we solve that, we know that yung inside is equal to outside. Okay? And this is yung total doon. And, syempre, di ba, ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, equal pa rin naman yung Q dun sa cork. Yung Q dito sa steel, Q nung cork, and then yung Q dito, may Q ka dito sa steel, may Q ka sa cork, may Q ka sa wood. Equal lahat yun sa isa't isa. Okay? And yung total dun sa composite wall is equal to the cork. Ayan o. Okay? So first, we have to find yung RT muna. Ito yon. Step 1, find RT. Okay? XS, lahat sila naka-millimeter. Kaya lang, meter ang kailangan natin dyan. Watt per meter. Okay? Meter per, ano nga to? Meter per watt. Meter per watt per meter degree Kelvin. May magiging meter squared yan. So, RT, first, gawin natin ganito. Para yung calculus mo, umabot siya. Ito yung first part, Isolve mo muna yung X ni steel, yung K ni steel, plus yung X ni cork, tapos yung K ni cork, plus yung X ni wood, over K ni wood. Pero ako, kung kaya naman sa calculus, kahit hindi ka na magganito, okay? Kahit hindi ka dumaan dyan, diretso mo na dito. Yung Q total is equal to, hanapin mo yung area. Na given area, binigyan ka ng area ng wall, yung 2.5 meters wide and 8.8 meters long. So, 2.5 by 8 meters squared. Yan yung area mo. Tapos yung delta T. Problema mo dyan, yung delta T binigay ba? O yun, the composite wall, the extreme phases, the temperature drop to the extreme phases is 15 degrees Celsius. So, pwede na yun, 15 degrees Celsius. Tapos, divide mo ng itong buo. Yung XS, ano ba yung XS? 0. Ano nga to? 0.18. Tama ba? Mhm. Hindi. 18 millimeters. The 18 divide by 1,000 para maging meter. 18 divide by 1,000 meter. Ayusin natin, ha. 18 divide by 1,000 meter divide by K. Ano ba yung K niya? 45 watt per meter degree Kelvin. Plus, yung taas, yung sa cork, 90 divide by 1,000. Kasi millimeter yan, maging meter. Tapos, yung kanyang value, 0.045 watt per meter degree Kelvin. Plus, yung value nito, 22.5 divide by 1,000 meter. Tapos, 0.18 watt per meter degree Kelvin. Pwede mo na ipasok yan sa calculator. Sabay-sabay. 2.5 times 8 times 15 divide by, yung una, 18 divide by 1,000. Alam ko kasya to 45 plus taas, 90 divide by 1,000. Ito, ginagawa ko to sa board exam. Kaya huwag kayong matakot. 45 plus 22.5. Basta tama pagkakagawa mo, makukuha mo yung sagot. Divide by 0.18. Diba? Kasi sa calculator. That is 1 for 1. The answer is 141.1499. Ano natira na unit? Tignan mo. Meter squared, meter squared. Kelvin. Ito, Kelvin din. Cancel to, cancel. Cancel, cancel. Yung watt, meter squared dito, meter squared, meter squared, meter, 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 meter. Ang natira is watts. Aakit yan. So, this is watt. Okay? Hindi pa tapos dyan. Kasi, yung sa cork, diba that is equal to yung K nung cork, area of the flow, temperature difference sa hot minus T low, divided by X sa cork. Okay, that is equal to the Q total, which is, ayun anong hinahanap natin? Yung temperature drop. Yung temperature drop. So, i-reform natin. Delta T, K, C, A, over X equal to Q. Ay, ito hinahanap natin. So, delta T is equal to Q times X over area KC. Delta T now will be equal to yung Q na ibinigay niya, 141.1499 watts multiplied to the X. Gano'n kakapal yung cork? 90 millimeter. Divide mo ng 1,000. Oh, divide by area. That is 2.5 by 8 meters squared. Multiplied to KC. Anong binigay na KC dyan? Ito, 0.045. 0.045 watt per meter degree Kelvin. We cancel all the same units. So, watts, meter squared, meter squared, aangat tong K. So, the value now for the temperature drop on the cork is 141.1499 times 90 over 1,000. Tapos 2.5 times 8 times 0.045. The answer will be 14. Yan, 14 yung naging drop. Check natin 14.11499 degree Celsius or degree Kelvin. Pwede na rin yan. Sir, tama ba yan? Yes, tama yan. Bakit? Ang naging temperature drop mo po kasi sa buo is 15. Dapat lower doon. Okay? Diba? Yung temperature drop sa total is greater than yun sa temperature drop nun sa cork tuloy. Cork. So, correct yan. Okay? Ganun yung i-check yun. Okay? That is for problem number 4. How about problem number 5? A heat exchanger is to be designed for the following specifications. Meron kang hot gas temperature. Meron kang cold gas temperature. The unit surface conductance on the hot side, so HO. Tapos, on the cold side, HI is given. The thermal conductivity of the metal wall is 115 watt per meter degree Kelvin. Okay? Find the maximum thickness of the metal wall. So, ito yung metal wall. Ayan. Tapos, meron ka ditong HO. Yan. Andyan. Tapos, meron ka ditong HI. Magpapass through dyan yung heat. Yan. Hinahanap mo ngayon is X. Oh. Diba familiar sa inyo? Kapag Q total is equal to yung total resistance, delta T multiplied to A over RT. Kung saan yung RT mo, i-consider mo yung 1 over HO plus yung X nung steel over yung K nung sa steel plus 1 over HI. Ito na yung buo. Okay, pwede natin makuha yung sa inside, meron kang QI dito, meron kang QO dito. And equal yung Q nila sa lahat. Okay? Equal lahat yon. Where QT is equal to QO plus, QO plus, QO is equal to QI. Pwede natin makuha si QI. Where QI is equal to HI, area, delta T. Ngayon lang, wala tayong area. Okay? E di pwede naman to QI over area equal to HI delta T. Okay, solve na natin. So, QI over A is equal to HI. Anong binigay na film coefficient sa dyan ng HI? 230 na lang tayo. O kahit HO to, HO. HO or HI, parehas lang yan. Kahit magkabaliktad. Ang nilagyan ko dito, HI is, dapat ito HI, yung mababa HI natin to. HO yung mataas. So, this will become HI, this HO. So, 230 watt per meter squared degree Kelvin. Tapos yung delta T. That is 1145 minus 548 degree Kelvin. Sir, saan mo nakuha yun? Given yan, no? 548 degrees Celsius. Ayan, no? Given. Not to exceed. Ito sinabi dito, find the maximum thickness of the metal wall between the hot and cold side so that the maximum temperature of the wall does not exceed. Ito yun. Hindi mo gagamitin to. Okay? Ito ang gagamitin mo. Mamaya mo gagamitin tong 44. So, mahanap mo na yung QI over A. So, that is 230 times 1145 minus 548. That is 30 ba yun? 230. Kulang. 230. Yan. So, 137,310. 137,310. Anong unit? Cancel yung Kelvin. Watt per meter squared. Okay. Yan na yun. Ang sinabi ko dyan that the Q total is equal to QI is equal to QO. O ngayon, meron tayong QI over A. O dito, QT over A will be equal to delta T over 1 over HO plus 1, hindi na pala, plus X over K plus 1 over HI. Ang hinahanap natin is na maximum thickness. Okay? Meron ba tayong delta T? Yes, meron tayong delta T. Okay? Anong gagamitin natin sa delta T dito? Ang gagamitin natin sa delta T, from hot to cold. Ano ba yung hot dyan? O yung hot is 1145. Yung cold, 44. O, hanapin natin si X. Pwede ba tayo mag-algebra? Sige, algebra muna tayo. Okay, samahin natin. So, 1 over HO plus X over K plus 1 over HI equal to QI, hindi na pala, delta T over QI over A. Pwede na to. Ngayon, pagsamahin natin yung magkasama dapat. X over K plus 1 over HO plus 1 over HI. Algebra lang to huwag kayo nalilito. Delta T over QI over A. Ngayon, ito ang kailangan nating mahanap. So, delta T. So, X over K is equal to delta T over QI over A minus yung buo. 1 over HI plus 1 over HO. Now, in order for us to cancel yung K, multiply natin siya both sides by K. So, X will become delta T over QI over A minus 1 over HO plus 1 over HI multiplied to K. Oh, put up the values. Yung value nito. Anong value nito? 1148 minus 44 divide by 137,310 watt per meter squared. Ito degree Kelvin. Minus 1 over HO. 290 watt per meter squared degree Kelvin plus 1 over 230 watt per meter squared degree Kelvin. And then lahat yan i-multiply natin nung K. Ano ba yung binigay na K dyan for metal wall? Ito, 115 watt per meter degree Kelvin. 115 watt per meter degree Kelvin. So, maka-cancel natin dito. Ang lalabas dito is meters. Maka-cancel natin isa, matitira isa. Ito, maka-cancel. Ito, matitira isa. Cancel, cancel, cancel. Matira ng isa, cancel. Cancel, cancel, cancel. So, we now can solve the value. Sunod-sunod na lang. Okay, buo na. So, 1148 minus 44 divide by 137310 minus 1 over 290 minus 1 over 230. And then you multiply it with 115. The answer is, ayan. So, in meters pa to in meters pa yan. Hindi 1145 pala, hindi 1148. 1145. Yung pala, kaya nagkakamali yung ano ko. This is 1145. Mali lang ako ng tingin. Mga kasing 5 yung sulat ko. 1145. Sorry naman. Yun. So, this is, naka-meters yan, okay? X will become 0.02555. Ilang 5 yun? Tatlong 5. 88 meters. Multiply mo na lang ng 100 millimeters. 1,000 millimeter in 1 meter. So, cancel yung meter, cancel yung meter. Ang lalabas is millimeter times 1,000. So, the thickness of the plate should be 25.56 millimeter. Okay. I think yun lang yung dapat na ituro ko sa inyo for this day. Kasi, yun lang talaga. Yan lang yung mga napakahihirap ng problem pagdating ng ating heat transfer. Nagiging mahirap lang siya kasi ang haba nung calculation. And you have to think of the proper steps on how you will solve it. And I think that will be all. I will leave you with an activity for the next meeting and prepare for the quiz on Saturday and your exam. Okay? That will be all. Have a nice day. Rewatch the videos. It will be uploaded later. Sasama ko na rin yung mga notes natin. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.